You can even have the large dual clock, but actually this one looks pretty nice to me. So I will make sure I can put it somewhere here, kind of. Okay, so if I don't have space on the home screen here, I could put it in this place temporarily. I drop it here, that's where the clock goes now. And I could try to move this weather bar lower a bit, and then the clock, you just have to find a bit of space for it. So I could say move the weather bar somewhere there, and have some of the, I could have some of these folders below or above the weather. But like this, you can have a bigger clock on your home screen. It's not much bigger, but if you want, you could even have the analog clock, or you could have the big clock. You could have the clock with the seconds. So I will add the other one now. Widgets, clock. So under clock, I go to this large one. This is the biggest one. So it doesn't really fit here. I'll try on the second page. So that's how it looks like. It's really big. To use that, I will have to make some more space. I'll put Google Keep there, drag this folder here, and I think now it will fit right there. So that's how you can have a large clock on your Android